Hi folks, Frenk Talks with another travel vlog, this time from Latvia. Daugavpils is the second largest city in Latvia, located in the southeastern part of the country and is named after the biggest country's river, Daugava. It is home for around 80,000 people. No surprise that there you can find many medieval style constructions, since Daugavpils was founded in 1275 by the Livonian order, and that's exactly what I will try to show you in this travel log. So let's go, as usual, with the top 5 places in Daugavpils. Let's go with the number 5, Dubrovin Park. Well, if you wish to simply enjoy your leisure time or have a picnic, you have to definitely check out this charming and serene park. I know, it doesn't look really charming right now, but that's because of the weather which I faced when I was there. I swear and I guarantee you that the park looks more beautiful during the sunny days. Next up, number 4, Smakovka Museum is entirely dedicated to Smakovka. That's a traditional alcoholic beverage in the Latgale region. Daugavpils is home to several historical churches, including the St. Boris and Gleb Orthodox Cathedral. Just see these pastel colors, white, sky blue, covered with golden domes. Make sure you check them out. Well, maybe you heard about that, maybe not, but the famous abstract expressionist painter Mark Rothko was born in Daugavpils. Mark Rothko Art Center hosts various events and exhibitions throughout the year, attracting art lovers. We are coming to number 1. Of course, in my opinion, the city's most impressive landmark, the Daugavpils Fortress, is a 19th century fortress that was built to defend the borders of the country. Now, it serves as a cultural and historical museum complex. By the way, near to Mark Rothko Art Center. And yes, of course, as usual, you'll get some bonus places, which we would suggest you to visit. The Latgale Zoo is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. It is a home for both Baltic and exotic animals. The Regional Studies Museum, providing a comprehensive look into the history, culture and traditions of the Latgale region, offers exhibits and artifacts that showcase the rich heritage of Daugavpils. And the last one, Ditonams, is a place where you can buy a lot of vintage goods and different other stuff. So if you like the retro scene and something casual and not necessarily branded, then you can shop here at favorable prices. That's all for today. Keep in mind that not only the city itself is worth visiting, but the surrounding area as well includes several nature reserves, lakes, forests, making it an attractive destination for ecotourism and outdoor activities.